Rejuvenation of the Ganga in Kanpur is a testament to the dedicated efforts and transformative initiatives by the government. Through the Namami Gange project, the city has experienced a remarkable turnaround, with once polluted waters now reflecting a clean state. The city produces an estimated 400 million litres per day municipal sewage and industrial effluent. A multi-level strategy was planned by the National Mission for Clean Ganga, including trapping, drains upgradation and construction of new common effluent treatment plants and sewage treatment plants, ghat development. In Kanpur, drains including Sisamo Nala following into the Ganga have been intercepted and diverted to sewage treatment plants, significantly reducing pollution load on Ganga in Kanpur. Currently, 487 MLD treatment facility is operational in Kanpur, such as the 210 MLD STP in Bhingawa, 205 MLD STPs in Jajamau, 42 MLD STP in Sajri and 30 MLD STP in Pankha. Several projects have been developed and under construction in Kanpur and its adjacent areas with the aim of safeguarding the river Ganga, like STPs in Unnao 15 MLD and Bithur 2 MLD has been constructed and 5 MLD in Suklakanch is under construction. To ensure accountability, desired performance standards and long-term sustenance, NMCG has adopted hybrid annuity-based PPP model for 15 years operation and maintenance of projects in Kanpur, Unnao and Shuklaganj.
75% काम हो चुका है। इसमें 5 नाले टैप करके, जिसमें कि एक हो गया आपका इंदिरा नगर, मोहन नगर 1, मोहन नगर 2, रेलवे ब्रिज और गंगा विष्णु, ये 5 नालों को टाइप करके इसको ट्रीट करके हम गंगा जी में छोड़ देंगे।
To manage industrial effluents from tanneries in Kanpur, 20 MLD common effluent treatment plant has been constructed in Jajamau. Upgradation of CETPs in the Banthar and Unnao industrial clusters areas to address pollution from leather factories discharging their waste into the river are in various phases of development. These projects underscore the ongoing commitment of Namami Gange to address various sources of pollution and improve the overall health of the Ganga river. In Kanpur and Bithur, the NMCG has constructed and renovated more than 24 ghats and 3 crematoria. Notably, in 2019, the construction of Atal Ghat near the Ganga barrage was completed. These efforts extend beyond mere infrastructure development. Namami Gange is focused on enhancing riverfront areas to improve aesthetics, promote tourism and facilitate public access. Moreover, involving local communities in river cleaning drives, awareness campaigns and sustainable practices is a key aspect of the initiative. Visitors at ghats like Atal Ghat, Brahmavatar Ghat, Bhairav Ghat, Rani Lakshmi Bai Ghat and others now experience a significant change in the condition of the holy Ganga and its banks. This positive transformation is a testament to the success of the Namami Gange project in fulfilling its objectives and bringing immense satisfaction to locals and visitors alike. The efforts of Namami Gange in Kanpur highlight a firm commitment to pioneering environmental sustainability. Alongside enhancing community well-being, Namami Gange is actively exploring additional plans to further improve conditions in the industrial city. These initiatives aim to address various environmental challenges, promote sustainable practices, and continue the progress towards restoring the health of the Ganga river.